Anytime now. Away they go. The object from the outside bank net. Rushing up is big time Bonjing, Royal Scepter, Devil Rising, Siklag. Also rushing up just like it. Entry number 11, Manila Smile. Running down on the inside, Fiery Bull, Prince Carlo, Okidoki. And Smarty Fans is running in 13. Number 13, DOJ by a length and a half. Just like it, Siklag. On the outside, Royal Scepter. Down on the inside, big time Bonjing, Manila Smile. Also rushing up, Siklag by ahead. The object, Royal Scepter in the middle. Manila Smile alongside, just like it, as the action swing towards the long. Nice stretch run with entry. Number 5, Royal Scepter in the middle. Royal Scepter, Siklag, Manila Smile. Big time Bonjing. Manila Smile rushing up, moves up, Siklag and Devil Rising, and finally Manila Smile close. Siklag, Devil Rising close for 5th and 6th, Prince Carlo and Royal Scepter.
14, kung hindi ako nagkakamali.